Oh, this wasn't expected.
These are pure are like that. They only get kind of like the milk and coffee after. No, it's nice.
That's cool. Yeah. Just go up there and then it's short though. From Zakopane.
Zakopane. And strictly Gubałówka in Zakopane.
We just took a little ramp up here. You can walk, but that's going to be...
Yeah, if one feels like it, you can walk 1.3 kilometers up the hill for free.
Takes a little bit of time and you're going to be tired.
Well, you know, if you have time and you're inclined to, you're free to do so.
This amazing view.
Especially that the weather is amazing, so it's clear skies and you can see the full view of the Tatra Mountains.
It's nice, smells good. There's cafe, restaurants and everything up here. Different experience in the winter. More famous for winter.
No, but people come here winter or summer. It's just, yes, in winter you come here for skiing. In summer you come here for climbing mountains and things, or just, you know, walking and things.
A lot of Airbnb. I was about to say no shortage, but when you come here on the high season,
you better book ahead. Airbnb is one thing. Not all available places to sleep on Airbnb or even listed on potentially Google Maps.
So how would local go?
You would just literally drive here and look who says it openings.
Vacancy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just
that's quite a gamble if you come here during the high season. That's quite a gamble.
Oh yes, it is.
So yeah, I mean, if you look around, there are people, but I would assume
it's way worse.
It's gonna be way worse.
Yeah, this is low season.
Yeah, or low week.
This is low. This is low occupancy so far. It's a gravitational slide. That's what they call it.
Yeah, it's kind of nice. I'm gonna have to try it. Yeah. Dziękuję.
Szybciej, tata!
Oh, that's why there's a food. And no alcohol required.
Zero.
I co tam jeszcze było? Kawa mrożona. To za chwilę. Pokaż jaki ten smak. O, sweet. Super. It's sweet.
It's sweet? Oh, it's called
Just mixed fruit. Truskawkowe.
Yes.
Reminds me of the first place we went in Warsaw. Strawberry. Truskawki, very. Yeah, see? Truskawki.
She knows how to indulge herself. Look what she ordered. Look, milkshake?
No, iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Coffee, ice i śmietana.
And a lot of
Whipped cream.
a lot of dairy.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So cabbage soup and potato.
So the
Paśnica.
it's it's the cabbage sauerkraut kind of
Ziemniak.
cabbage, potato, and rib.
Oh.
So the bubble tea has the bubbles are like multi-fruit kind of.
Do pana damy szat. Tutaj była po lewej stronie za drzwiami.
Okay, I'm gonna go for a salad.
Okay. Look at that. That's gonna be a lot of meat. This time there is a little bit of crackling. Hot and soft. Okay, way better than any of the other places. And this is the this one looks a little dry. Still a lot of flavor.
You're happy?
Okay, that was very satisfying. I think I'm gonna have food coma.
Yes, you will.
Oh gosh, that was a lot, and I even make more than half of it to Dad. He's eating, I think, more meat than I did.
Oh, you guys need your meats.
All of that, we had two salads, roasted potatoes. Kate, myself, and Dad got compote.
Yes. And Mom got iced coffee. with whipped cream.
Indulging herself there, that was nice. She got her own soup. All of that for 200 PLN. So that is very well priced, especially in the heart of the tourist area.
Yeah,
here
it is. It's
in
right smack
Zakopane.
in the middle of Krupówki.
Yeah, with that much.
It was
food.
delicious too.
It was delicious. I was actually stuffing myself at the end of it. And it's not just a lot of food, it was delicious. The seasoning they have on the sishalik was nice. I thought it would be dry, but the seasoning around it was just giving a lot
good.
of flavor to it.
And
The salad.
Salads were good.
So it is sauerkraut, but it was closer to coleslaw.
No, it was a proper sauerkraut. It's like a good sauerkraut. The one that we had yesterday in Krakow was just not good.
So then I've been having horrible sauerkraut because I usually don't like sauerkraut. That sauerkraut.
That one was nice, and
I can eat it all day.
and it went really nicely with pork knuckle.
Oh yeah, it went nicely with everything, and the shredded meat as well. It was nicely, not too vinegary, not too. I think a little bit on the sweet side, but that could be natural.
I think it was just the beet itself was fairly sweet. There wasn't much to it done, honestly. I don't think so.
We enjoyed. It was delicious. It was a lot of food. Oh, I can't even speak properly.
Food coma incoming.
Yeah, it was a lot of food, delicious, and very, very well priced, especially in the heart of
Tourist area.
highly recommended. There's so many other food that we want to try here, so that's what we when we go.
It's like you don't know what to try.
Yeah, but culturally, you guys don't usually eat out.
Don't ask me because my family's weird. maybe other families do eat out, and nowadays I would imagine people eat out more. So. Could be just 1/4 of people. The other half is shoe sweets.
What do we got?
We've got grilled Oscypek, which is sheep's milk smoked cheese with cranberry jam.
That's a traditional thing here in Zakapone.
The cheese, yes. The grilled with the cranberry jam, that's news to me.
Guess it's a
But I haven't been
touristy stuff.
here. But I haven't been here in quite some time, like today. So, you know, who knows?
So you haven't had this then?
No, I've had the cheese before, not like this,
Okay.
just pure cheese, and I used to like it. So
How does it taste like?
why don't you tell us?
Okay. Eat it like that.
Yep, just
Big of a bite.
you can start with not too big, because they do have. Yes, it was on the grill.
I?
Mm.
I?
So you know the squeaky cheese thing?
Yes, it will have that.
It's squeaking. Salty?
Mm-hmm.
Very salty.
Mm-hmm.
The cranberry jam is kind of mellow a little bit, but then the jam disappears. It's all salt right now in my mouth.
We're gonna go for ice cream.
So salty.
He's offering a pickled cucumber.
Yeah! Oh!
Hey, that would be good. It's delicious. Let me try it. A little bit.
A ten taki sam. I?
Okay, the first bite is good. It's afterward when
Well, you don't know what it is, so you're not expecting what it is.
okay. I'm getting used to it, but I still smell a lot of salt around my mouth.
We're gonna go for ice cream.
Mango orange.
Yes. The strawberry. Oh god, the strawberry. Looks
Coffee.
good. There is lemon.
Coffee.
Do you want some?
Strawberry. Right now, got ourselves ice cream. Each one of us 2 scoops.
Delicious, absolutely delicious.
I needed it to cover up all that
Salt.
salt that is in my mouth, so that was a good one. Got the mango, which just almost disappeared now.
I still have a lot.
Okay, very good. She got it with strawberry. I like sorbet. Really needed that from all the salt.
Salt. I just was craving some ice cream after the couple days that was so chilly that too chilly to have ice cream outside. And today is actually a good day.
But yeah, that's a good way to end the day. After a long walk, nice view, great meal. Just
Bit of dessert.
bit of dessert. Okay, that's